Okay, fine. One more time.
Yes, show it again.
You've shown us the ring 5 times.
And I'll look 5 more times.
You two are ridiculous.
No, the ring is ridiculous.
It is beautiful.
Thank you.
Paul did good.
He really did.
How did he propose?
Dinner by the lake, flowers everywhere. He was shaking the whole time.
Cute.
Shaking?
Yes. Poor thing could barely talk.
That's how you know it's real.
How long were you two together again?
18 months.
18 months?
Yeah.
Huh.
Why?
Nothing.
Wait, you and Nate are at 18 months too, right?
Around that.
Oh my God, you are.
I honestly thought you'd be next.
Next?
Engagement-wise.
Same.
Really?
Nate seems serious.
He is.
Then maybe soon.
Maybe.
Speaking of serious, let me show you Maldives.
Here we go.
Private villa,
Wow.
ocean view,
That's insane.
floating breakfast.
You had floating breakfast?
Every morning.
I hate you.
Worth it.
How much was all that?
Don't ask.
That expensive?
Memories are priceless.
Translation: very expensive.
Let me live.
Still, must be nice.
It was.
Anna, your turn will come.
I know.
Nate better not take forever.
Jess,
What? I'm just saying.
No, you're right.
I didn't pressure Paul, if that's what you're thinking.
You didn't?
No. If I had to beg for a ring, I wouldn't want it.
Must be nice to not have to ask.
Girl, don't spiral.
I'm not spiraling. I just think 18 months is enough time to know.
Maybe. Depends on the couple.
Or maybe men just get too comfortable.
Anna.
What?
Talk to Nate calmly.
I will.
Not with that face.
What face?
The face of a woman about to ruin dinner.
I'm not ruining anything.
Good.
I'm just done waiting around. We need to talk.
That sentence has a terrible reputation.
Becca got engaged.
Congratulations to Becca.
That's all you have to say?
About Becca's engagement? Yes,
We've been together 18 months.
I know.
So why aren't we engaged?
Because I'm not ready.
18 months and you're still not ready?
Yes,
That's ridiculous.
I'm being honest.
Becca didn't have to wait this long.
Then Paul was ready. Good for him.
Everybody is moving forward except us.
Everybody seems to be doing a lot of work in this conversation.
Stop making jokes.
Stop using your friends as a measuring tape.
I'm just asking about our future.
No, you're asking why your future doesn't look like Becca's.
That's not fair.
Then explain why this conversation started with her ring instead of our relationship.
Because 18 months is enough time to know.
Know what?
Whether somebody wants to marry you?
I do want marriage.
Then what's the problem? You have a stable career.
Yes,
You make good money.
I do.
Then what exactly are we waiting for?
More savings, more stability, less risk.
Other people figure it out.
That's not a plan. That's a prayer.
Wow.
Besides, you're not ready either.
Excuse me?
What's your plan?
My plan is to get married.
That's an event.
What?
Marriage is a life. A wedding is a day.
I know that.
Good. Then what's the plan after the wedding?
We build a life together.
With what?
What does that mean?
You want a provider.
A husband should provide.
What happens if I lose my job?
You'll get another one.
That's not a plan. You're being optimistic with somebody else's paycheck.
Wow.
Your income changes every month.
I work hard.
I didn't say you don't.
Then what's the issue?
Stability.
Plenty of influencers do well.
Plenty don't.
So what? You think I'd be a bad wife?
I think you're asking questions you don't want answered.
Answer them anyway.
Okay, you want me to provide.
Yes.
You don't cook.
Restaurants exist.
You don't clean.
Cleaners exist.
You don't know the first thing about running a household.
That's outdated. I am a modern woman.
No. Being helpless is outdated.
I am not helpless.
Your solution to every problem costs money.
That's not true.
Restaurant, cleaner, nanny eventually. Every answer you've given tonight spends my money.
That's a cheap shot.
It's the truth.
I can't believe you're saying this.
I can't believe we're discussing marriage because your friend got engaged.
This isn't about Becca.
Then let's remove Becca from the equation.
Fine.
You're 27.
So?
You're not talking about fertility.
No.
You're not talking about children.
No.
You're not talking about starting a family next year.
Of course not.
Then what exactly is the emergency? 6 months ago you were happy. Then Jess got married and suddenly everything became a deadline. Now Becca. That's what I thought.
I don't want to be the last one left behind.
Thank you
For what?
for finally being honest.
I hate when you do that.
Because I'm right?
Because you're annoying.
Fair.
I just want to know we're moving somewhere.
We are.
Not fast enough.
You're demanding a timeline I won't give.
Then let me make this simple.
Go ahead.
Propose this year or we're done.
You don't have to wait that long. We're done.
You're serious?
You just put a deadline on a marriage proposal because your friend got engaged? Yes, I'm serious.
You're throwing away 18 months.
No. You did that when you turned our relationship into a competition.
I hate you.
Get in line.
You're never going to find someone like me again.
That's not the threat you think it is.
You're a jerk.
Maybe, but at least I'm not asking somebody else to solve problems I haven't solved myself.
I can't believe this.
I can. The second you mentioned Becca's engagement, I knew exactly where this was going.
What is that supposed to mean?
It means you stopped caring about our relationship and started worrying about everybody else's. You don't need a fiancé. You need to stop comparing yourself to everyone else. We're done, Anna.
So Jess finally admitted how much that Maldives trip cost?
Let me guess. Too much.
Way too much.
I knew it.
They're still paying it off.
That's insane.
Apparently, memories are priceless.
Credit card companies disagree.
Have you been?
Same.
Liar.
Fine. Not great.
Still thinking about Nate?
Is it that obvious?
You really loved him.
Yeah.
You really messed up too.
Thanks.
But stop torturing yourself. Move forward.
Have you heard anything about him?
No. Why would I?
Just checking.
Why are you asking? You're wondering if he's moved on?
Maybe.
Anna, your relationship is over.
I know.
Forget about him.
Trying. Nate?
Anna.
I wanted to...